Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Steve Ricky, and I'll be taking you through differential calculus, a subject called function of a function or chain rule. The general formula is dy all over dx is equal to dy all over du times du all over dx. That means that differential coefficient of y with respect to x is equal to differential coefficient of y with respect to u times differential coefficient of u with respect to x. Remember here, we have two functions. We have function y and we have function u. So that means that y is a function of u and u is a function of x. Y is a function of u and u is a function of x. Therefore, y is a function of a function of a function. Y is a function of a function. So let's move to the problem. Differentiate y is equal to 3 tan power 4 3x. Y is equal to 3 tan power 4 3x is the same as y is equal to 3 into bracket tan 3x power 4. It is the same. That means this, when you see 4 here, it means that you power this one with 4. The whole of this, it's not only the tan that is powered, but the whole of this is powered. So first of all, let us substitute. Let u be this. Let u be tan 3x. Only this. Take only this. Therefore, y is equal to 3. And then instead of writing this one, you write u here. You substitute this one with u. You write here u power 4. I think you've understood quite well until that point. So let's move. Let us differentiate y with respect to u. Y with respect to u. You'll come here and say 4 times 3. You'll get 12. U 4 minus 1. You'll get 3. Remember the general formula that a x power n is equal to a times n, which is an x power n minus 1. That is the general formula. Let me close here. There are some geese that were making a lot of noise, so I had to close the door. So we have found this one. We already have this one. Now let us find this one. Dy. Already we have this one. Now let us find du all over dx. Let us find this. Remember, u, here is u. U is equal to tan 3x. U is equal to tan 3x. I think you're seeing, and in trigonometry, tan theta is equal to sine theta all over tan, or all over cos theta. So this one will be sine 3x all over cos 3x. Sine 3x all over cos 3x. So we'll have to differentiate this using the quotient rule. Quotient rule, whereby du all over dx will be equal to cos 3x. You begin with the denominator, cos 3x times this one. This one will be 3 cos 3x. I'll show you how I got that. Minus, you come to the numerator, sine 3x. you remember the formula? This is the formula. The formula that we had. The formula for, I'll show you. Into bracket, this one, when you differentiate this one, you'll get negative 3 sine 3x. All over, you square the denominator, cos 3x squared. Remember, the reason why we do like this, we found how to find the differential coefficient of sine and cosine. You remember in the rule is that a sine ax is equal, when you differentiate this one, you will get a, no, not a sine ax. Sine ax is equal to a, this a, cos ax. And then cos ax is equal to negative a sine ax. You have to master this one on your head. So let's proceed. Let's multiply this and this. When you multiply this and this, you'll get 3 cos squared 3x. This one, negative times negative, you'll get a positive. 3 sine squared 3x divide by this one, which will be cos squared 3x. So let us put the bracket. This will be 3 into cos squared 3x plus sine squared 3x all over cos squared 3x. Remember, in trigonometry, cos squared theta plus sine squared theta, let me write here so that you can remember. Cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. So this one we will replace this one with 1. So it will be 3 all over. Oh, it will be, because we have replaced this one with 1, I showed you here. I had shown you here. 3 divided by cos squared 3x. And remember, in trigonometry, sec squared theta is equal to 1 all over cos squared theta. Remember that? So here we are going to replace this one with sec, which will be equal to 3 sec squared theta. Already we have this one. Now we have dy dx, du all over dx, and we have dy all over du. We already have this one and we already have this one. So let us multiply. Dy all over dx is equal to dy, the general formula, dy all over du times du all over dx, which we will substitute. Dy all over dx, dy all over dx, we found 12u power 3 times du all over dx, which is 3 sec squared, I'm sorry, yeah, it's 3x, sec squared 3x. So when you multiply this one by this one, you will get 36 u power 3 sec squared 3x. You get that one. I hope you are understanding. So let's come and substitute u with you remember here u is equal to tan 3x. So let us put the tan 3x here. So it will be equal to 36 tan 3x cubed sec squared 3x. So which will be equal to 36 tan cubed 3x sec squared 3x. Now this is now the answer. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel and you can share it, and God will abundantly bless you so much. Do not pass this channel without subscribing, without liking. God bless you. Thank you.